Hey folks, let's see what is the guidance from Lord Ganesha today. I felt like doing it, Ganesha. Okay, so I felt like let's get guidance or advice or what you should focus on the next, and what is their help towards you. What does he want to tell you? Okay, we'll see that. So choose a pile which calls out to you intuitively. If you feel like two piles or two groups are calling out to you, there might be a hidden message in the second pile as well. Do check it out, and yeah, I will upload the timestamps in the description below. No issues. Okay, so first, this first pile is Howlite. Okay, first pile is Howlite, and the second pile is Ruby Fuchsite. Yes, Ruby Fuchsite, and third pile is Angelite. Okay. Yeah, so choose any one which calls out to you intuitively, and then we'll start. You can pause the video and choose. Until then, I'll start. So we'll go with the first one, and wait. This is the third one, and this is the second one. Okay, so this is Howlite. Okay, you have chosen Howlite. I feel there is some passion, or there is something that you feel like doing it. There is something that you want to do it, and I feel like you haven't been sleeping really well from past few days. Okay, this is a general reading, and a lot of people are watching as it's a collective reading. So please take what resonates, and yeah. So there are some people who aren't able to sleep well, and yeah, there is a lot of anxiousness here. First, we'll start with the tarot cards, Rider-Waite's cards, and the Emperor, King of Swords, Page of Wands, and Four of Pentacles. Okay, so as I see these cards, I feel like wow, there is some good things coming in your way. I feel like there is an opportunity knocking your way, which will give you a lot of growth. But make sure you trust your instincts, trust your inner voice. Okay, trust your inner guidance, because I feel like somewhere due to lack of clarity you would deny that. Okay, and also I'm seeing some people might have a little bit of pride or ego here. Just take what resonates, guys, and I feel like because of that you might say no to that opportunity. Okay, so but right now you are feeling like everything is off, and you want to rest, and everything is in a stagnant position. Like everything is not going as per your plan. Everything is just in the stop or hanged right now. It might be your business, investments, or career path, or love issues. Like nothing is happening, no spark in your life. Okay, like you are in a stagnant position. You feel like nothing is happening in your life. So the Ganesha shows that you have this power. You still have those power inside you, and take care of that. Remember those plans, act upon it how much ever you can, because I feel like there is a good opportunity coming your way. Ganesha says a good, amazing opportunity. It might be pretty direct, the next one, the recent one which is gonna come. I feel that, and do not lose hope. And there is something in your past that happened or ended in a bad way. It might be any business or your career, or somewhere that you failed, or somewhere you regret that you did not impress much, or did not make sure those efforts are efforts are made. Somewhere you feel that. Okay, so this is a general reading. Okay, take what resonates. And I feel like, yeah, somewhere you feel you are looking to the past, like wish I would have taken that path. I wish I would have said yes. A lot of wish is coming, okay, from the past, and Ganesha assures that is not in your destiny. So do not look upon that. Instead, look upon your future which is coming. Do not think about that option that you had before, because a great opportunity is coming, and it will be the best, and it will be amazing. Okay, I can see the abundance coming over here. I can see a lot of money coming here, and a lot of growth and opportunities knocking your way. So Ganesha says, like, don't look at the look at the past. I'm sorry, look at the past, and concentrate in the present moment. Take rest, take your time, and in the future there are chances, growth is there. Okay, but as I see King of Swords, I feel like some clarity or cleansing is needed in your life. There is something that you need to take it out, let go. Okay, there is some thing, some sense of clarity I am feeling, something which you are not getting, the clarity, or I'm getting a lot of this word, that clarity. There is some aspect of your life that you need clarity on. Okay, so it might be that, and it is that. I feel it's a general reading, guys. Yeah, so I feel like there is something that you want a conclusion to, and yeah, it will happen. I feel it will happen on a sudden basis. You will get that clarity on a sudden basis out of the blue. Ganesha shows, and let's see what is the other things. Okay, we'll see. I'm gonna pull out cards from Osho Zen. You got new vision and letting go. Okay, so as I said before, there is something new coming in your way, and there is something new is coming. And look at this card. Look at this card. Okay, there is a person here, lying down, and it's coming out. It's going to the universe. Like it has wings as well. So it's like you're flying out. Some new opportunity is knocking, and you're so prepared. So it's like, now something new is gonna come in your life. Okay, and as I'm seeing those symbols, as I'm seeing all those symbols, it makes me feel like there are chances you might be living in a box, or those thoughts are running inside you, some thoughts that you need to let go, or something, you should get out of that. A new vision is coming, and make sure you change your perspective. I also feel some people are not keeping an open mind to other people's intentions. Make sure you have an open mind and look into their perspectives as well before controlling them. Okay, there are chances of that, and I feel like some people also might resonate with some elder person in your family is not understanding your perspective or understanding your vision that you have in your life, and they are not keeping an open mind. So that is the reason you are not able to come out. So yeah, take what resonates, guys. And yeah, so it's like Ganesha is like, it's their life, let them live, but it's your life. At the end, you're gonna act upon your plans, act upon your thoughts. So don't let them be the barrier. Okay, and as I'm seeing this letting go card, so you maybe you are in a position right now where you don't belong. You are in a stuck position, but you don't feel the spark. So somewhere you are stuck right now where you don't belong. As the water does not belong to the leaf, it comes down to the sea or the river or wherever, the water. Okay, it comes down back to that, so that it could feel whole again, feel good. So I feel like, yeah, there is something that you have been stuck into, and you have to let go. Yes, and as I'm seeing this 8 here, I feel like abundance is coming in your way. Just that one moment when you let go of the wishes which you had in your past that you regret, that moment you let go and realize that something better is coming. As I'm seeing the 8 card, infinity, I feel like the abundance is gonna come once you let go those negative thoughts about that. I feel like yeah, it's gonna come to you. Okay, so we'll see the next cards that you get. Next is from the yogic part. You have got the tamas and tejas. Okay, as I'm seeing these cards, these tarot cards, wait a minute, there is a lot of emperor energy, dominant energy, and king of swords. Like, you have this built-in genes of being a leader in your life. You have this quality, you have this quality of be having this leadership quality, and that essence that you carry, that dominant side, that you have an amazing communication skills as well, as I'm feeling it. And yeah, so because of that, you also are good at giving lectures to other people. I feel, giving advices and giving lectures which benefits them. So as I'm seeing Tejas, I feel like whatever is left inside you, whatever knowledge, or what the Lord Ganesha says, like, you are really great in communication, you are really great at what you have inside, and you Ganesha is like, share your share your knowledge, share your there might be some people who want to do something regarding, maybe be a teacher, or maybe be a professor or lecturer, or maybe be a speaker, or maybe they want to, motivational speaker or something of that sort, or maybe want to go for seminars or something. So, like, take what resonates, guys. Again and again I'm saying this. So there are chances, like, you might Lord Ganesha assures that you are really great at communicating, good at advising, good at giving them really amazing solutions. So share your light, share your knowledge, share it with other people, because you have that ability, and you have this leadership quality. So this, and as I'm seeing Tamas here, look at the lion. Okay, look at the tiger. Okay, it's sleeping, and he has all those dreams, and I'm seeing butterflies as well. So the path right now where you are in seems vague. You feel like everything is vague right now, and you're in a hibernation period. You feel isolated, you feel like sleeping more or resting more, or if you're not doing it, Ganesha assures do that. Ganesha is like, what, you should sleep more. As I said before, Howlite is, somewhere I felt like some people are not sleeping really well, and they need to sleep. And somewhere Ganesha is also like, rest more often, rest as much as you can, take care of your health, take care of your mental health as well. And the good things are going to come, this transformation is going to happen, the butterflies are going to come from the cocoon, so everything is going to be great. Make sure you rest enough for the best thing which is going to happen in the future. The passion will flourish. So yeah, make sure you rest. Okay, that is a great thing, that is best. And one more Moonology deck, I pulled out a card. You have got what you need to release. So as I said before, letting go. Okay, as I said before, like, in the past, there is something that you need to let go, and Ganesha's advice for you by Ganesha is like, what do you need to release? The thing, that realization or that regret that you have from your past, I feel like you should release that. It's better you release that and focus on your present moment. Rest enough, because he is bringing some great and amazing opportunities with amazing manifestation and abundance coming your way. He's bringing all those stuff. And yeah, make sure you are concentrating in the present moment and looking up for the futures. Whatever thoughts you have, plan it in the action, do it. And it's somewhere, I feel like you're watching this video, but Ganesha is watching you right now as you're watching this video. I feel like that. And Ganesha is looking at you and feeling, yes, come on, you can do it, release it, I'm bringing something really good. Only if you let go, infinity is here. Like, only if you let go, I'll bring the abundance. So it's like that, and it's amazing. It's really amazing. Yeah. So pile 1, this was your reading, and please share, subscribe, and comment below, like the video, how you liked it. And you can comment if you want any changes in my video or any suggestions. I'm open to suggestions as well. And thank you so much. So hey, pile 2, pile 1 got over. We'll see for pile 2. Okay, you have chosen the ruby fuchsite. Okay, so I feel like happiness is gonna come. I feel like, I'm feeling so happy. I'm smiling, I'm grinning. I feel like Ganesha loves you. The people who chose pile number 2, Ganesha is like, you have done really good in your life, something good. I'm gonna some blessings I'm gonna offer you. Okay, he's really happy. I can see Ganesha and he's like, I'm so happy for you guys. And I feel like there is some karma that karma reward that you're gonna get. There is something, I feel like you have helped a lot of people in your past, and I feel like a karma reward is gonna come through Ganesha. Okay, this is amazing. I'm so happy for you guys and I'm grinning a lot. So Ruby Fuchsite says, I mostly feel like Ruby Fuchsite says like, release all your worries and concentrate on the happiness that I'm gonna provide you. Okay, it's like that. I feel like you can wear a ruby fuchsite crystal around your neck or as a bracelet. It will give you a lot of happiness. Okay, a lot of joy in your life. And let's see what cards you have. Okay, I'm excited. Knight of Cups. This is Rider-Waite tarot cards. The Hierophant. Okay, Eight of Wands and Nine of Cups. Okay, now come on. Look at this card. Aren't you grinning, bro? Like, aren't you grinning? Aren't you smiling? Aren't you happy? Okay, I am smiling. I am literally smiling. I am looking at this card and I'm like, oh my god, this is amazing. So, but Ganesha also assures, I feel this vibe that you are being lazy right now. Move. Okay, do some movement and something which you shouldn't do. Even for a cup of water, you are being reliable on someone. So this might resonate with some people as it's a general reading. So I got this vibe that Ganesha is like, don't trouble your mother, or don't trouble your wife, or don't trouble don't trouble or rely on someone else even for a glass of water. Okay, so pile 1, as I'm getting the Knight of Cups here. Knight of Cups, as I said before, I feel like Ganesha is going to come with amazing blessing and karma reward. It's going to come to you. I feel like there is a lot of opportunities knocking your way. A lot of blessings, a lot of sun rays. As I'm doing this reading, I feel like a lot of sunlight is coming direct towards you. Yes, you'll get some guidance. I feel like someone is gonna help you in the future in your career, business, or any path. It might be someone who you'll be comfortable with, and someone is really gonna guide you. Someone is gonna give you solutions, someone which you have problems to, or someone is gonna come your way offering you a large amount of money. A big check, I must say. I feel like someone is gonna guide you throughout your way, and it's amazing. Okay, it's amazing. Yes, I feel like Ganesha has sent that person, that individual in your life to give you this good karma reward. 29th September, like the Saturn has been redirected from retrograde. I feel like now the good karma rewards are gonna come for you. So it's like Eight of Wands. I feel a lot of opportunities, a lot of communication is gonna happen, a lot of clients calling you, a lot of talking. I can see a lot of socializing as well. I feel like you'll get amazing offers and opportunities. And if you're thinking about starting a business or starting a job or something that you have it in your mind, I feel like it's gonna happen. Yes, it's a yes card. It is. I feel like it's yes. A yes from Lord Ganesha. He's like, whatever is in your mind to start or do something, just do it. Just do it, babe. Like Lord Ganesha is with you. And as I'm seeing Nine of Cups, I also feel like there are chances in the future you'll be so happy that you'll be so damn happy, like all your cups will be fulfilled, all your wishes will be filled. And I also have this feeling that you might travel. You might travel in the future somewhere due to business or something, or some good is gonna happen. Some, maybe you'll have some international clients or something like that, I feel, or maybe going abroad for your studies or something. You might travel. And as I'm seeing this card, this Nine of Cups, okay, this man is sitting peacefully with not doing anything and having all the cups fulfilled and smiling. So it feels like there is something which will make you so satisfied and so happy and so content that you would not feel like working at all, because you'll feel like, I have everything now, what should I need more, what I need more, what is there that I need more? Nothing. You have everything, like all the all the like karmic rewards and blessings are gonna come your way. And this is amazing. I'm getting such a powerful vibe. I also feel like there is a reputation coming in your society. Like your reputation is gonna grow or flourish like hell, like literally like hell. It's gonna flourish like all of a sudden. So Ganesha is like, people will talk only about you. You will socialize that much that you will be the hero in that group, in that in that society. Reputation is gonna be so amazing. So yeah. Wow, this is amazing. So right now you might be in a worrying path or stuck, or what will happen, what will not happen. Ganesha shows you that I am coming. I am literally coming. Do not worry. Babe, I am literally coming. So do not worry. And I have got all the cups, all those, everything, filled your karmic rewards. Everything is filled in my cup, and I'm coming to you. Coming through someone to you. Okay, I can see the key over here. You can see, right? The key solution. Like, you'll get answers to all your questions. All of a sudden, all the answers will be, everything will come into clarity, and every cup of every aspect of your life will be fulfilled. Okay, so this is amazing. And I feel like some people who are single, okay, take what resonates, guys. Some people who are single, there are chances you might meet someone. Some people who are seeing to get married or looking for guys, they have a great chances of being married as well in the coming future. Okay, this is amazing. Oh my god, I have goosebumps. You guys are amazing. So next we have next I have pulled cards from the Yogic Path Oracle deck, and that is, wait a minute, we'll just keep this aside and wait, yeah, you can see this, right? I'll just keep it here. Yeah, so I have pulled a card from the Yogic Path Oracle deck, and this is Atman. Wow, look at this card. It's so beautiful. Okay, so Atman, what it says? Atman actually literally, says like, it's opening. The doorway is opening. As I'm seeing this card, I feel like the doorway is opening. All your worries will be answered. And I don't know why. I feel like as I'm seeing this card, I feel like, this is, I am getting this vision that, Buddha is sitting here somewhere. And we have a Buddha here as well. So I feel like, not only Ganesha is helping you over here, like all the divine gods are coming into existence in your life to give you the karmic rewards. So right now what you need to do is meditate enough, make sure you do not worry a lot, be Atman, like Atman as in be one with the universe, be peaceful, and do not worry about the future, be in the present moment. This is what I'm getting. And this, as I said before, UB Fuchsite is just don't worry more, and happiness is coming and banging your way really hard. So yeah, so Atman is that. And the next card I'm getting is Chinmasta. Okay, so Chinmasta, I love this. This reminds you, okay, somewhere some people watching this video, I feel like some people who are watching this video maybe have been shy, or maybe are shy, or maybe they were shy in their past, or someone who were bullied in their past, or someone who was taunted a lot or insulted a lot in the society in their past. So I feel like, take what resonates, guys. And I feel like someone really made fun of you, and something really bad happened in your past. And there is a chance, what Ganesha is telling you, what Ganesha's guidance for you for this is, look at this. Look at this. Let your past be dead. Own your power. Own your divine power. Show that you are powerful and you are not fearful or scared of any opportunity coming your way. Okay. I sense, I feel like seeing this card, there is a thing that you have been through a lot in your past. I feel like a lot of stuff happened in your past, a lot of bad things. So, as I'm seeing Chinmasta Mata, I feel like she is always going to be with you. And Ganesha, as I said you right before, like all the divine God is coming into existence for you guys. So I feel like, yes, Chinmasta is with you guys, and you are asked to show power in the future as well. Show people what you are worth. Show people that how much powerful you are. Show them that, okay? So I feel that, and so do that, and this is amazing. Okay, next I pulled out cards from the Osho Zen Tarot. Yeah, I hope it's visible. Okay, so Osho Zen Tarot, I got the Fool card here and the Mind. Okay, the Fool, oh, don't think that you are a fool as you got the Fool card. No, Ganesha isn't telling you that you're a fool. Not at all. Ganesha thinks you are such a lovely person, adorable, cute, kind, generous, amazing, and you are a person who looks very happy and positive, like that. So yeah, so I'm getting the Fool card. The Fool card is asking you to take risks. Take risks. You don't take risks. You do not know what the future unfolds. Like, even if any opportunity comes, say yes. Take that risk, because it is through Ganesha. If you keep a closed mind, if you live in that box of yours, okay, if you keep a closed-minded thinking, not an open-minded thinking, and if you only keep on assuming stuff like, what if it doesn't happen, what if I go wrong, what if it isn't being successful, what if it doesn't work out, let all those negative thoughts go away. Do not worry. Take whatever comes to you. It is you will feel blessed that you did. You will literally feel that, and take whatever risk comes your way. You are worth it, bro. You are worth it. You are worth all the rewards. Amazing. I love it. I love this pile. I love it, bro. I can feel Ganesha over here sitting and smiling. Tell them this, tell them that, and it's amazing. So I pulled out the next card from the Moonology deck, and I got, as expected, expect powerful change. I told you right. Like, a change is gonna come, and everything is gonna be as per your wish, and everything will be fulfilled. So there is some powerful change gonna come in your way. You might feel stagnant right now. You might feel nothing is working in your favor. You might feel, what should I do? Should I do it or not? Ganesha assures, let all this bullshit go away. Whatever comes in your way right now, do that. Accept it, and you'll not regret. You'll never regret it. So yeah. So this is amazing. Pile 2, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. And yes, if you have any suggestions, anything that you would like to change about my video, let me know. And pile 2, you people have really amazing and great energy. God bless you all. Bye. So pile number 3, as I am looking at your crystal, you have chosen the Angelite. Okay, so Angelite, I feel like you are divinely protected and supported by the divine gods and ascended masters, your angels, your ancestors, everyone. Look at this crystal. Yeah, Angelite, I feel like you are protected. Do not worry, and do not feel that no one loves you, because your God, your angels, your ancestors, everyone loves you. Okay, first we're gonna pull out the card from the Rider-Waite, and you have got the High Priestess, Two of Pentacles. There is some choice that you need to make, hun. There is something that you have been clinging on to, or something that you feel like you should let go but you are not letting go. Do that. There is some type of dilemma or confusion you are going through. Do it. Make a decision. Okay, again, Two of Wands. You are literally thinking about that a lot and you don't know how to come to a decision. Okay, I'll help you guys. I'll help you. Six of Cups. Somewhere you have lost that innocence of a child. Okay, like, as this is a general reading, okay guys, and a lot of you all are watching. It is a collective reading, so some might resonate with some messages and the other might resonate with the other half of the message. And there are two messages that I'm getting. Lord Ganesha has two messages for two different types of people, and I feel like there might be a love situation or love triangle, or feeling like going away from a relationship or friendship that you feel is not serving you enough respect and love. So you have been thinking about it a lot lately, that should you move on, should you get out of that relation, should you just give up. Okay, that is one message I'm getting. But you're also thinking about the past, like whatever you shared, like should I give another chance or not. Okay, so this is but your intuition is guiding you that you should not. Your intuition says that you should move out. Your intuition says wherever you do not feel respected enough, move out. Yes. Okay, so this is the initial message that I'm getting from Lord Ganesha for some people, and the other message that I'm getting is there is some career path or career choice or some business investment or anything that you need to make. A choice has to be made and you are stuck in that, and you are not able to concentrate or give time to your family or friends, or time to yourself as well. You have lost that essence of innocence. You have lost that essence of being happy with your own self. Somewhere self-care time is not there. You are not investing time to yourself. So yeah, play for a while, take a walk, go out. And I know it's a COVID situation, but just make sure you just give time to yourself. Even a good long bath which will help you rejuvenate and relax, do that. So yeah, this is what I'm getting for Lord Ganesha. Lord Ganesha's message for the initial like Lord Ganesha's guidance for initial message people, like the first half of the people. The Lord Ganesha's guidance to you is trust your instincts, trust your guidance, trust that. And for the second half, who are confused and who are not letting themselves out, or they have just lost the innocence of being being a baby, being a child. For you guys, Lord Ganesha's messages, spend time with yourself. Take everything lightly, take everything in a joyful way. Don't take everything so harsh headed. So don't take it in that way. Live a little, enjoy your life. Okay, so that is what the message is. And I have pulled out cards from the yogic path also, and you have got the prana and sattva. Okay, so the prana actually says, like, I can see a butterfly coming out. So I feel like there is some decision that has to be made, and you will make it. You are coming out of that cocoon and transformation is gonna happen. Okay, so prana says, like, prana is I'm feeling like a lot of, I also feel like soak yourself in water as much as you can, because a lot of negative thinking is happening here. a lot of negative focusing upon the negative stuff is happening. So make sure you soak yourself in the water as much as you can. And you are divinely protected and guided. Do not You have this intuition, this amazing inner voice inside you that is active, but you are not able to listen to it because your mind is manipulating you. So make sure you listen to your intuition, and do not control your surrounding, or do not control anything which is not happening your way. Do not force it. Just let everything happen and let it run smoothly. Okay, to balance your mind, body and spirit. I feel like as I'm seeing this Two of Pentacles, somewhere you're not balancing your life. Okay, I said right, there are two messages for two people, like two parts of people who are watching this video. First is a choice to be made. Second is a balance in your life. Like balance your time from your professional life or your business life or your work life to your self-care time as well. You need to balance it. And somewhere prana also says that you need to balance your mind, spirit and body. Okay, so don't let the mind manipulate you. Make sure whatever comes from your heart or your inner intuition or your inner voice is saying, listen to it. Ganesha says that. And yeah, breathe in and breathe out whenever you feel a lot anxious, because you are divinely protected and your angels and ancestors are around you, giving you answers from inside. Yeah, like as an inner voice. And somewhere you're not taking the message because you're letting the mind manipulate you. Okay, so that is one thing I'm getting. I'm also getting some of you people who are watching this video, somewhere you are doubting your worth, doubting. Somewhere that thoughts have come, that haziness has come, that you people are doubting your capabilities and doubting your worth. But as I'm seeing the sattva, it also talks about self-care, cleansing your room or cleansing. It mostly feels take out the negativity. Even if it's your cleansing your room, maybe your room is untidy as of now, as I feel, or some clutter is there while you sleep on your bed or something. And another thing is, I feel like there is a sense of clarity which you want to seek. There is something that is stopping you to achieve that. There some pile of people, okay, so there are a lot of people having a lot of different thoughts and messages. Okay, this pile 3 is not third pile, it's mostly like infinity pile. A lot of things coming in together. So I feel like somewhere some of you guys are doubting your own worth and feeling like feeling unaligned with the divine, or feeling like that you're not worth it, and feeling like someone is controlling you, or that you need control over your lives, feeling so alone and negative, and feeling like no one understands you. So such a lot of emotions. But as I'm seeing the angelite crystal, I feel like you are fucking divinely guided. And this is amazing, guys. You need to know your worth. Come on, you are amazing. Ganesha assures that you have this amazing connection with me. Okay, you are not manifesting whatever you wish for because of your negative thoughts. Don't let your negative thoughts come into existence. Let your positive thoughts come into existence as you act upon that. Okay, because you are confused, even the universe is confused. Like, what do you need, guys? What do you need? Sometimes you feel like, yeah, sometimes you feel like you are worthless. Sometimes you feel like, why is the universe is behaving really badly to you? Why am I not getting any favor or any help from the universe? Why am I not? But you are protected right now. You are divinely protected, but somehow you need to make sure you cleanse your energy around. You need to cleanse those negative thoughts that you have, get a sense of clarity and purity inside. and breathe in, breathe out, don't feel anxious. And yeah, I feel like there's a lot of people watching this, some might take some emotions, one or two emotions, like a lot of mixed emotions are here in this file, and some would resonate with each and every emotion, some would resonate with each and every pile has like I'm sorry, each and every aspect of your life is being shattered or is in a problem. You might feel like that. And I feel like, Ganesha, only one advice, Ganesha, like, even though everyone has different problems in this pile, Ganesha has only one advice to each and every individual watching this video. That is intuition and connection. Connect with me, breathe in, breathe out. Let your intuition speak for you. Let your inner voice speak for you. Do not let your mind control anything. That is what I'm getting. Okay, so pile 3, other cards that I've got for you is, I pulled out from Osho Zen. Luckily, you have 3 cards coming out of the Osho Zen. Other piles had like 2 cards. Okay, a lot of emotions, a lot of people with different emotions, a lot of people with all the emotions. So it's like mixed up over here. Tsunami or hurricane. Okay, so first card that I've got from the Osho Zen is the conditioning. Okay, some people are letting you believe that you are not a lion, you're a sheep like them. Look at this. They're tying you, right, to believe, to make you believe that you don't have those capabilities, to reach higher, and letting you think that you are a sheep. So don't let them condition you, don't let them manipulate your mind into thinking that you're worthless. Okay, I also feel there are some people who wants to start some business or have something artistic in their mind, but somehow think like, what if I do that? What if I don't be successful? What if family wouldn't agree with that? Or what if it's not a good thing, a good choice as a career path, arts or something artistic? The Lord Ganesha assures that go with it, however, go with it, because he has your back. And if you go with your passion, if you choose your artistic life, there are chances you will be amazing, you will be successful. Okay, abundance will come. The next is clinging to the past. Okay, some people might resonate and some might not. Like I told you, right, like some people are thinking, I told you, right, some people are not getting enough respect and love, and they are thinking about moving on to other, moving on to being single, or moving on to being into other relationship, or being it might be any relationship, it might be friendship, or it might be a love relationship or anything. So they might be thinking of moving out of that relationship, but somehow they are thinking to give another chance. So it's better by thinking about all those past memories that you both shared. So the Ganesha assures that do not think about those memories or about that past. Let it go, let all go, let everything go away, because it's not gonna serve you respect or love, however. So yeah, and the third card that I got from the Osho Zen is the outsider. Yes, I told you, some people are feeling alone, some people are feeling that no one understands them, some people are feeling like they are locked, they don't have any solution, no one is guiding them. As I'm seeing the lock here, they are feeling like they don't have any help, and they are feeling like whatever they are doing right now, as in a career path, or as in if they are in any relationship, they just want to be freed, they want to get out of that situation, they want to get out of all these traumas and troubles. So yeah, this is what I'm getting. And Lord Ganesha asks you to get out of it anyway. You know how to unlock this, you have been there from a lot of time, and you know where the key is. So I strongly sense the key is you and only you. Obviously the key is you. You need to get out of that relationship or that business or that career path. Somewhere it's exhausting, it's making you feel so exhausting and tired, and that you are the only one person who is doing a lot of efforts and no one is helping you. Just get the fuck out of this room, bro. Just get out. It's not gonna serve you. Okay, so I pulled another card from the Monology deck, and I'm getting take time to breathe out. As I said, this is an advice card, and you have got the prana here. Prana, I told you, right? Breathe in, breathe out, and let those worries go out, and that way. So don't make yourself feel anxious. Okay, so the Ganesha also says that take time to breathe out and release every worry, every negativity, cleanse your energy, cleanse your aura. He's gonna come to you with, he is already offering you a hand. As I'm seeing the High Priestess, I feel like I want to pull out another deck, another card for you guys from the, wait, it's here, right? Yogic path. I feel like doing it for you guys. I don't know why, just feel like pulling out another one. I don't know why, I just feel so bad that you have been through a lot of shit and you are still going through a lot of shit. So we'll see. Advice or guidance, what should you focus on? So Ganesha, pile 3. I feel like okay, so I have got the Dhyana card. Dhyana. See, as I'm what I feel from this card is like two people are controlling. One is the intuition, and the second one is your mind, which is controlling you. Okay, you are running from this side to that side. Okay, so focus on what you want, bro. Focus what do you want, the universe will provide you. If you keep on banging from this side to that side, the universe will also do the same, and you yourself will be confused, like what should I need to do. So Dhyana speaks that, and I told you already, right, that you are confused. And also I feel like what you feel like doing, what is the artistic nature that you want to explore more? Is it dance? Is it anything that you are hiding? As it is in dark, I feel like there is some shadow, some talent inside you, something which you are hiding it, something that you need to explore and let it come out. Even if it's dancing, singing, painting, stuff like that. And also I feel like some people have a are rejecting themselves. They are eager to propose someone, but they aren't able to. So Lord Ganesha is like, do it already. They are already yours. They are all yours. So I felt like I felt that, and I feel like to clear out all those negativity, Lord Ganesha asks you to move, maybe dance, or move from the place that is giving you a lot of negativity, cleanse that place. So yeah, pile number 3, this was your reading. Please like, share and subscribe. Comment below you liked the video, did it resonate or not, and you could come out with great suggestions as well. And yeah, God bless you all. Bye.